Hello sir, this is our high-end programmable ignition system, Tino box. First of all, welcome to visit our factory. I'll show you around and walk you through our production line. We can provide solution design, development and production for various engine ignition coils, as well as OEM SMT patch processing services. Our PCBA manufacturing system focuses on high efficiency and high reliability, fully meeting customers' diverse needs from R&D prototyping to medium and high volume production. Relying on the ME's digital management system, we realize the whole process from order import, material management, SMT mounting, post-welding and testing to finished product delivery, enabling real-time data collection, intelligent scheduling and full traceability in all links. We provide customers with one-stop PCBA solutions from component selection to SMT assembly. These are our entry-level to mid-range ignition system, mainly supplied to major motorcycle manufacturers. Lower price for mass production, reliable quality, fast delivery, and good reputation in the industry. Our products are also exported to overseas markets. Welcome to contact us. Besides this, we would also like to recommend a high-end ignition system for you. It is Tino-Stay Universal Programmable Ignition System. It is suitable for carburetor engines or FI converted to carburetor engines. Tino-Stay Ignition System is a powerful, all-in-one programmable ignition test system with universal engine compatibility. It enables real-time monitoring of operating status and supports real-time free switching between 8 default ignition curves, with each curve allowing precise tuning of ignition parameters. Debugging is achievable via a Wi-Fi connection to a mobile app or computer software. The system can read the curve of the original ignition coil for optimization, thus replacing and even outperforming the original. It covers the full low or mid or high speed range, 300 to 25,000 RPM, with strong ignition power even at high speeds, and supports unlimited speed setting, as well as speed limitation via ignition cut or spark retard. It resolves the startup kickback issue of large displacement engines, and also comes with TPS function, anti-theft function, overvoltage protection and other practical features. The racing version is equipped with a quick shift function. Additionally, the system is paired with high precision tuning software and a user guide, and supports wireless firmware updates.